Did you hear the news? Food Truck Wars is coming back to Surrey this April for its 4th year. Over 35 food trucks will be at Cloverdale Exhibition Grounds April 11th, 13. There's 8 awards they will be competing for, including Best in Show, People's Choice, and new this year, the new Creative Food Award. You'll be able to try one-of-a-kind, wild, wacky, and chef-inspired menu items you won't find anywhere else. There will also be DJs, live entertainment, site-wide beer, a kid zone, an artisan market, and so much more happening all weekend long. Grab your buy donation advance tickets now to receive exclusive updates on menu items, giveaways, and event details leading up to the weekend.